Babe, this is like a weapon. They call me Auger Man. Look at this. Back. I am back. And Janee is at home today. Today is Monday, December 11th. So a few days ago, or almost a week ago, 5 days ago, she got sick. The 24-hour bug. And she seemed fine the next morning, and then all of a sudden just kind of lingering on like for the week. And they weren't busy at work today, so they just told her just go home and get some extra rest. So she's at home, she's sleeping, getting some extra rest, but I had to come down here today. I stayed with her at home the day she was sick, but today she's okay. She just needs some rest. But today's gonna be like 60 something here in a couple hours, so I gotta take advantage. This might be the last of our 60s for this season, so I'm going to take some advantage, try to get some work done. Staining boards, ended that last night. I'm going to do some more today. Uploading the next video right now, episode 47, part 17 of the caboose. And so that's being uploaded for Wednesday. And maybe I'll get this little fire going. Get some ambiance of campfire smoke. I love that smell. Alright, so I'm just going to keep pushing on. Nothing really plan. Do what I feel like doing today. Tomorrow's gonna be nice too, so I'm going to look forward to getting more stuff done tomorrow. And then Janee is off work for 3 days actually, so one of those days will work. I think she want to go do some shopping one day, and then the other day, or maybe even 2 days of shopping coming up this season. Christmas is around the corner already, so I got my shopping done. Gotta knock it out online these days, right? I do miss the times when you'd have to go fight in the store, especially Black Friday. There's some good times of rushing, bumping carts, and the people trying to get that deal. Now you kind of look back, and a lot of that stuff is just the cheaper stuff. But there's some nice deals out there, and I scored on a few things for Janee and family. So, all right, let's get to work. Quit talking, Rhett. Let's get to work. I'm just trying to warm up because the building in here is actually cold. It's nicer outside, so I took all these boards outside, and let's go put the other coat on it and get warmed up. Alright. I haven't been recording much today because I've been listening to music. Keeps me going. hung up a one corner board. Still staining these other boards. I'm gonna do another coat before leaving tonight. I'm just gonna leave it out. I don't think anybody will take it. And then I sanded these corners. I caulked them. There was some nice gaps in there, so I wanted to fill those in on both these corners. So I think I'm gonna work on this maybe in the near future. That little vent can come out, that pipe can come out, and yeah. Okay, didn't have any luck, by the way. I worked on the caboose exterior lighting, and this one, the whole light socket is gone, so I gotta figure something out for that. I may have to, I don't know where to get something like that for a caboose from, you know, that's been retired and old. No parts out there probably. And then the other bulb, there was a bulb in there. It was stuck, broke. I had to break it out. Unfortunately, I think I took out the socket holder with it. It was a thin bulb, and I thought it was part of the socket, or not part of the socket. And I think I basically had to crunch it all out. It was like corroded in there. So now I got two issues. And then the last one is that corner one of the caboose. Of all four of those outside lights, there was actually only one that was good. So I can put one bulb in right now, and that's it. And I was doing it because I just got bulbs in the mail today. I was thinking, man, it'd be kind of cool to light up the outside of the caboose. I'm gonna have to work on that more, and it's a low priority. So, but speaking of caboose, what I'm doing right now is there's a gap in the doorway, and I'm gonna using this metal again, repurposing metal from the RV demo. That I just cut this out, and I'm going to trim it around for the door, and I need two of them, so I'm gonna do one first, see if it's any good. So that's what I'm working on. Okay, one more board to get ready. And then
what's that weird smell?
Weird smell?
It smells like cleaning supplies.
I saw it too. I just smelled it just now. Over here.
Yeah.
It does smell like clean supplies. But I don't know. That's weird. I smell it too.
Yeah. Is it the wood maybe that you just cut?
Oh, I just cut.
It smells
Yeah,
weird?
I just cut this board that had a knot in it.
Maybe that's it. Maybe it smells like cleaning supplies.
Could be. Maybe the smell came over here.
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and do that one, and then this one would be the opposite, going the other way. Alright, we're unboxing our new auger. This thing's cool. We'll see if it works in our what am I trying to say? Our ground out here is filled with so much river rock. I think over the millions of years this was just flood channels and all that. So lots of river rock. But instead of trying to dig that stuff out, I'm hoping this will help dig into it. So I do want to register this, so I need to keep some of this separate. Because I found, it's one thing, 90% sure. I need to double check, but for registering, when you get these packets and the whole box with batteries and everything that come included, you have to register every battery, every charger, all part of the package. Otherwise, it doesn't appear that it will accept it. And I have been terrible with registering this stuff for the warranty, for lifetime warranty. All right, so some assembly may be required, it looks like. Here's the motor. It's pretty cool. So this was on sale, $100 off. Regular $550, I got it for $450. Plus I got a military discount on top of that, so basically pays for the tax. Babe, this is like a weapon. They call me Auger Man.
Babe.
Look at this. This is crazy. It has a sharp point down there. So you just like interchange these things right here with this clamp. Oh, it's like holding a baby.
Babe.
All right, so this looks like pretty easy assembly. I don't think I need instructions.
Babe, yes, you do.
It's just a few little things here.
Babe, you always read the instructions. That's how you get yourself into trouble.
There's a lot of washers. A lot of washers.
Is it plug in? Oh, use a battery.
Yeah, this is battery operated, not gas. Some of the gas ones were cheaper, but you have to maintain that all the time. This is going to be much easier to. All right, this looks like something goes there. Right? Should I look at
Will you look at the freaking instructions?
Babe, be nice.
Babe, you don't listen. Don't put it together half-ass. It might fly up and hit you. Do you want me to? He can't even find the instructions.
Symbols, maintenance. If you kill yourself, don't call us. So this one's ready to go up. Let's do it. Oh, I'm gonna put some caulking behind it too. So this. Okay, so need that, and I might need you.
Yeah, maybe I need you too.
I need you to help push in on this.
Okay, let me set this down.
Is that as good as we can get? Back today, Friday. Janee's out shopping, doing some Christmas shopping. I decided to come down here for a few hours. It's pretty nice out today, but we have a Christmas party tonight, and I'm getting stain all over myself. But got a Christmas party tonight to go to. Actually, possibly two, depending on the timing and stuff. We may have two different parties we're going to, so busy night, so I won't be down here long. But I figured get this trim board. Yesterday we put the vertical trim boards up on the east side corners, and then this will be the trim board along the bottom, and I can actually put some corrugated metal up. Today I'm going to do about half the wall. We got to figure out this electrical still. We still haven't got the panel switched out. I need to call the guy again to see if he's still interested. It's been a while. Our permit expired, so we'd have to get another permit. We've been patient with it because we've been just working on the caboose. We haven't really needed the panel to be switched out. As said in earlier videos, that we had to cut the line. We had to cut our power line that's out here from that top all the way to the top over here, and we had to do that 3 times because we needed cranes in here 3 times for each of the components of the train. And with that, they ran out of lead. And so, interesting, as I said in a prior video, I'll say it again more up to date, is for whatever reason the county does not require a panel to have a bypass for commercial. But the NEC, Navajo Electric Corp or something, the electric company up here, they apparently require a bypass for commercial buildings, regardless of the size. If it's commercial, they require a bypass panel, which is like, I think 500, maybe $1,000 more expensive, depending on the number of plugs, but lack of a better word, breaker spots, I guess, and amperage. So we do have a guy that was going to do it for us, and he had to order it. It was like a 6-month wait. He did find a used one that's in great condition. So, but communication's gone down to nothing. I've left some messages and all. I just haven't been able to reach him. So I don't know if he's still game for it. Matter of fact, maybe I'll just give him a call right now and see. Be right back. Well, good news. Just talking about the electric panel that did call the guy, and he is still game to do that. He does have the panel still, and he did find a used one. He was saying regular price on those new was like $1,500, and he found a used one that's in perfect condition and up to code and everything for $500. So huge $1,000 savings there, which almost pays for his labor, I think, in switching out all the breakers and everything. So give or take 500, probably. We're probably looking around $2,000 for swapping out that panel. So anyway, excited for that, because we're going to be putting this panel on the outside with the breakers on the outside, and that's this panel. Oh, there's a bee in here. So it'd be good to have that panel on the outside, because if we do expand that restroom and we put a sink on that wall, then I think the code is like within 3 feet you're not supposed to have anything up to that breaker box. It wasn't that way when we got it, but I'm sure with the updated permit and stuff, they're gonna make sure we do it, since we're doing a full remodel with that. So that will be great, because then we won't have to worry about that panel even on that wall at all. So we should be able to have any kind of plumbing and cabinetry right up to where that panel is currently. All right, so where was I? I did one coat on the end of the cut on this 16-footer, and we got a bee that's in there that's not happy. I can hear it. I need to get more fly swatters. So I'm going to do another coat here after that dries a little bit, hang that up, start putting some corrugated metal up, and then I'm not doing too much today, so I'm just going to kind of just do a little bit. So we'll figure out what I'm going to do. I don't even know. I'm going to do that, corrugated metal, and then we'll see how much time I have left, I guess. All right. Got some 3-inch torque screws, deck screws, wood and fence, and I had a section of a wall that was showing the studs, 2x6 studs in this building, so I was able to find the one, go 16 inches off each of those, which just extra helps make sure we're getting this board into nice studs. So happy about that, but Oops.